What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Overlex. Man, we're gonna come out with another video. Hey man, say man, look, no edit Mal in the building. You feel me? No do-rag Mal in the building. And make sure I follow all my social medias right here. And also link in the description. All you gotta do is scroll down on the description and follow me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video, alright? So today I'm gonna be telling y'all like my experience from Forex. This is my experience, this is my perspective on Forex and the little trading. What they call that? The little networking thing. Hold on, I'm about to search it up for y'all right now. Yeah, Our Markets Live, right? So Our Markets Live, right? I'm gonna give y'all my perspective on Our Market Live, which is like the team trading aspect, and I'm gonna give y'all my perspective on Forex itself. You know what I'm saying? The skill set itself. You know what I'm saying? Because it's really two different things. You know what I'm saying? So if a person is in your DM saying, "Hey, do you want to trade Forex? Will you join the team?" This and that's Our Markets Live. They're trying to get you to join the team. They're trying to get you to They're trying to get you to enroll in Forex. You do not need Our Markets Live to trade. All right. Our Markets Live is like. Our Markets Live is like it is what it is. Like it really is what it is. In the name market. You know what I'm saying? So they basically marketing a trading, whatever the fuck you want to call Forex. You know what I'm saying? They're marketing the trading aspect of Forex. You know what I'm saying? And most of the time it's described to you as a get rich scheme where it gives you the perspective of that you're gonna get rich fast. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that's what they do on Our Markets Live. I'm not saying every team does that, but let's just be 100. When you showing off the lifestyle, this and that and the third, you're really selling them a dream. Okay, that's what Our Markets Live do. They sell you a dream. The trading, Forex itself, you know what I'm saying? It's a skill set. You know what I'm saying? So you open up your phone and you start trading. I'm gonna give y'all another perspective, right? All right, so you got football, right? So you can't just hop on the field and just start running. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know the vocabulary of the game. You gotta know the background of the game, right? So you gotta know about turnovers on down. You gotta know about the flags. You gotta know about, that's just the basic stuff of football, right? You gotta know about the touchdown. What is a touchdown? You get what I'm saying? Now with trading, you gotta know what is a pip. You got to understand the strategies of trading. You got to know when to trade. You know what I'm saying? So that's just really to give y'all, I said that to give y'all the perspective of it's a skill set. It's just nothing, it's not nothing that you get lucky off of. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all think like Forex is like something that you can just get lucky. I mean, you can get lucky, but if you're trying to make money off of Forex, you want something that can be consistent. You know what I'm saying? So if I earn 500 just off of this trade, I'm probably most likely gonna blow it off the next trade because I'm gonna put that 500 back in, thinking I can get rich again, get lucky again. When it's not like that. If you actually take the time and learn Forex, you probably can get rich off that. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna take you time. It took some people years. I've been researching. I took two to 3 months straight just researching. Actually 4. I took 4 months straight just researching Forex. You know what I'm saying? Before I actually joined in the team. And once I joined in with a team, it really taught me the basics of Forex. You know what I'm saying? So because it was like foreign language. When you look up Forex and this and that, it's really like foreign language. So this is what I suggest y'all to do. What I suggest y'all to do, and I'm gonna also give y'all my perspective while I'm suggesting y'all to do this, right? If you want to do Forex, if you don't want to do Forex, Forex not for you. Forex one for me. You know what I'm saying? It just one for me. Like the whole trading, it just one for me. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather do YouTube, right? So this is what I suggest y'all to do. I suggest y'all to go ahead and enroll in a team. And I ain't trying to sell no team. I'm not on no team. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? But look, listen to what I'm saying, right? When you look at Forex, right? Even when you read the books, even when you look it up on YouTube, you can look it up on YouTube 100 times. But if you join a team and you're involved in the live sessions and they give you a course, they give you the whole, okay, this is step number 1, this is step number 2, this is step number 3, and they give you the background of Forex. I would rather y'all to do step 1, 2, 3 than just trying to learn it on your own, because it's kind of harder to learn it on your own. But listen to this part, right? For me, I wouldn't stay with the team because through my experience, and this is the main reason why I didn't stay with the team. Through my experience, it was all about motivation. Okay? And if you can't see, nigga, I motivate myself. You know what I'm saying? I motivate myself. And we don't have almost 30,000 subscribers for no reason. We just not out here, you know what I'm saying? I motivate myself, you know what I'm saying? So, what y'all should do is join the team, right? Understand the platform of it, understand the trading aspect of it, because all they're really there for is like on the weekly. I mean, I feel like it's really replaying the same stuff. You know, they replay the same stuff. Okay, Monday we're gonna go through this. We're gonna go through this strategy. Tuesday we're gonna go through this strategy. Oh, Thursday we got some new people. Okay, we're gonna start all over. You know what I'm saying? It's really the same. My team, the team that I was in, not my team, but the team that I was in. It was just the same. It was just the same. It was a cycle. You know what I'm saying? So that's the main reason why I left, because it was like, I'm paying $175, like y'all. And the thing is, ML, our Markets Live, right? They focus more on recruiting. I'm not gonna sit here and cap to y'all. They focus on recruiting than they do, because like I told y'all, it's two sides of this. When you join the team, there's two sides to this. You got the recruiting side and you got the trading side. Me, when I first joined in, I'm like, yo, I'm trying to trade. Fuck all that recruiting junk. I'm gonna leave that up to y'all. I'll pay if you guys are teaching me and I'm earning like I was promised to earn while I learn, right? If I'm earning money off of this trading, right, then I'll take the money that I'm earning off the trading and I'll keep paying y'all. And then I start getting more money, I'll stay with the teams, whatever. I'm thinking that I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna learn how to trade better and better and better. When the thing is, I learned the basics. And when I say the basics, I mean the basics, because they can only teach you so much, because the other part is actually trading, right? And when you trade, you have to go through experiences when you trade. You feel me? So what I'm trying to say is, you have to start trading. You understand what I'm saying? So when you start trading, this and then the third, and this is my perspective. I'm gonna say this again. This is my perspective. So when you start trading, right? Okay, you start trading. Maybe you can ask them questions on how you do this, but why are you paying $175 if you are trading on your own? You know what I'm saying? So at that moment in time, it's like, okay, I understand the platform, I understand Forex, I understand the trading. I'm actually trading now. I'm actually in a live account and I'm actually trading. I'm actually losing money and I'm actually gaining money. It's not a lot of money, but I'm actually losing money and I'm actually gaining money, right? So during that process, why do I need y'all? You understand what I'm saying? I'm paying y'all like $175, $185, but they like, yo, if you recruit, you can waive this fee. Nah, I don't want to. Why would I tell my friends? Why would I tell my people, hey, come over here? Like, and what do I have to show them? Like, what really do I have to show them and be like, yo, like, I'm earning money off of this? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, bro. It just wasn't for me. You know what I'm saying? And like, the mentor that I did have, no offense, she was just doing her job. The mentor that I did have, bro, every single week, every single 2 days or 3 days, she would check up on me, and that's because my membership was running out. You know what I'm saying? I'm all like, and I'm not saying each mentor that you have, but the mentor that I have, she only checked up on me because my membership was running out. And I'm not saying she was a bad mentor before then, but she did it more consistently because my mentor. Anyways, so my thing with Forex is, if you do want to do Forex, I would advise you to join a team and see how you like it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I had to do. I had to join the team. I had to see how I like it. And I'd rather do YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather base my business around YouTube and not around Forex. You understand what I'm saying? Not saying that I couldn't do Forex and YouTube, but I just didn't want to put all that energy into Forex when I really didn't enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? No cap, it was for the money. Like, I was in it for the money. You know what I'm saying? And I gotta really enjoy something like that that I'm dedicating my time to. You feel what I'm saying? But either than that, I didn't earn hella. I earned like $40, which is like kind of nothing. But I didn't stay consistent enough, and I didn't like stay with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure if I would have still been trading right now, I'd probably been earning money right now. Like money. You know what I'm saying? But I just didn't want to put no energy into that. You know what I'm saying? It threw me off. I was like, you know what I'm saying? By the second to third week, I'm already knowing. I'm like, wow, so y'all just gonna keep this cycle. And that's a cool cycle. That's their business form. You know what I'm saying? That's how their business is constructed. You know what I'm saying? That ain't got nothing to do with me. Like, that ain't no problem with me. But this video is just for all the people out there who are asking me, hey, bro, like, what about this? What about that? What about that? Yeah, I'm telling y'all right now, like, how I feel about it. So if you want to understand Forex, like, in a better, I would not say our market's live, but anybody go into a course. Just like anything, if you want to understand anything better, you would enroll yourself into a course, and then you would, you know what I'm saying, you would get it from the course. But far as like me kept paying the 185 or recruit somebody, I'm not recruiting somebody to something that I'm not even making money from myself. You know what I'm saying? So that's just how I feel about that. And I'm gonna catch y'all for this other. I hope y'all enjoy. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below. Peace.